Hello everyone, my name is Argentina Duyanti with the last three digit numbers 173. I am from Intermediate Communication Skills 2025F class, and today I will tell you a story about the worst illness I have experienced. So, when I was a kid, I don't really remember exactly when it was happened, but as far as I remember, I think maybe it was happened when I was on my fourth grade of elementary school. I got chickenpox. And if you don't know what is chickenpox, I will tell you. So when you got chickenpox, there are red spots that spread all over your body, and it feels really itchy. And as far as I know, chickenpox is caused by a virus called varicella zoster. And if you ask me how did I get infected by that virus, so at that time the disease was spreading in my neighborhood, and because I was very naughty, very rebel, and hard to control, my mom told me not to go out or play with my friends who were infected by that virus. But yeah, I ignored what my mom said, and sure enough, a few weeks later I got infected too. And if you ask me again how I felt at that moment, at first, my body got sudden fever, and then my mom said to me that I also refused to eat, and then my body started to feel itchy, and the more I scratch, the more red bubbles appear and spread all over my body, even my back. It was very itchy and hot. And honestly, at that moment, at that time, I feel like I want to cry every time the itch came because my mom wasn't allowed me to scratch it. She said if I scratched it, it would spread more. You know, uh, chickenpox got bubbles, right? And inside the bubbles there are waters or liquid, and the liquid could spread to other areas that were not infected yet if you scratch it. And I wasn't allowed to take a shower, and you can imagine how depressed I was because I already got infected by the chickenpox, and then I couldn't even take a shower, and I also wasn't allowed to go outside. And at that moment I felt super bored. And if you ask me how did I recover by that, I don't really remember how I recovered because as far as I remember, I didn't go to any doctors. My mom treated me at home, and I recovered, I think, about 14 days since I got infected. And then the bubbles, you can see the bubbles that were the bubbles were filled with liquid slowly dried up, but they left marks. Yeah. And then my neighbors said that if you want to remove your marks, you can, your scars or your marks, you can use young corn. Yeah, young corn, you know young corn. Yeah, so the young corn was, you can apply the young corn into the areas with the chicken pox. Yeah, but stupidly I refused because I was too lazy to use things like that. And a few weeks later, after I recovered, my older brothers also got chickenpox because he always annoyed me before when I was got sick, and then he got infected by being close to me. And I've heard that And I've heard that the older you got the chickenpox, it is more hard to recover. It is harder to recover. And after my brother recovered, my mom used the young corn and to apply to his body, and it worked. The scars can disappear. Okay, that's all from my story. Oh yeah, I also got the moral story. So don't ignore what your mom said. Thank you.